Find the equation of the quadratic function shown in the graph and give your answer in general form. So this time we are given the vertex, so I'm going to use vertex form. So y is equal to a x plus 4 squared plus 2. Once I know the general vertex form, I'm going to substitute in the other point. Now, given that this is a root, the actual coordinate is -2, 0. So 0 equals a minus 2 plus 4 squared plus 2. This is going to be 2 squared, so it's 4a plus 2, which means a is going to be equal to -1/2. Substitute that in to our vertex form. And then finally, we have to rewrite that out in the correct form. So this is going to be y equals, expanding this bit, we're going to end up with -1/2 x squared. We're going to end up with 8 x's. So then times by -1/2 is going to be -4x. We're going to end up with 16 times by -1/2 is -8. And then plus the 2 is going to be -6. We end up with this quadratic here. It is worth noticing on this one that there was another approach to this. We could have used root form for this particular example because we know the axis of symmetry is going through -4. So we know this distance here is going to be 2 to get from -2 to -4, which means we know this distance here is also 2, which means we know the other root is going to be -6. So we could have used root form here as well, and then use the vertex as the point we substituted in. That would be a perfectly valid way to approach this particular question, because we knew both a root and the vertex.